Hi, today I'll show you how to create the mockup that you provided to me. So this is a mockup. It contains a WordPress black WordPress logo image with a navigation having white background, an image, and a search bar with some negative margin. It also contains a post grid with only containing images and titles. Now, if you look closely, it has a border radius of 10 pixels, maybe of 10 or 15 pixels. Title with small fonts and which is aligned to center, and there are navigations. There are two links in the footer. One is my blog and other is the theme copyrights. Now, if you go to your site, this is your site. It contains an image with my blog. We need to replace it with the WordPress logo. It contains some navigations, an image, and search bar. But the thing is, it contains border. It contains some border radius. We will change. We will change its border radius to 0 pixels, and also the post grid contains 4 columns. We need to convert it to the 3 columns as provided in the mockup. So we'll do it. Don't worry. And also the my blog, it's alright. We just need to give color to it, and it is too. It is too alright. It is too right. So let me close it and close this too. So what you need to do is to go to the site, go to the exact same page, click on edit site. Let me increase it. Okay, now we are good. See, I've already edited the logo. Let me delete it. And what? Okay, see, I've already edited this. See, I've already uploaded this logo. Let me delete it. Click and delete. Now what I want to do is to add a logo. Click on this plus button, add the image. Go to media library. You need to upload it, download it from the internet, and then upload it. Now I'll upload this black logo. Resize it to the appropriate size. Click on this align button, align it to the center. Now we are good. So once we are done with the logo, we need to scroll down a little bit and click on this section. You will get a plus button. Click on this plus button and write navigation. Click on this icon. Now click on this, justify it to the right, and click on the style button. Give black color to the text and white color to the background. Now we are done with this. We need to give. We don't need to change or do something to the image, but we need to give some negative margin to the search. Which we will do afterwards. Now click on the search section. I want you to show that you have given some border radius to 8, maybe of 50 or 100 pixels as seen in this website. Let me recheck it. See, you have given some border radius to 8, and we don't want it as per your desire in the mockup. Now go back, give 0 pixels to it. Once you are done with it, click on save. Now the only thing left to do is to give some negative margin to this search section, and yes, we are done with the header section. What I want you to do is download 2 plugins named Cadence Blog and Simple Custom CSS and JS. After downloading it, click on activate both of the plugins and come again to the same page and refresh the page. Make sure you refresh the page, otherwise the blogs that we have downloaded, namely Cadence blogs, will not appear in the page or in this bar. So make sure to refresh. Come here, click on plus, right row layout, click on this blue icon, click on one column, again click on this plus icon and click on query loop. You can search query loop here. Click on choose. Now grid, no, not grid of post. Wait, let me delete it. Click on query loop, choose, and grid. Wait, it may be here somewhere. Here's this one, grid of images post. Now click on this date, delete the date. Now delete this section. After deleting it, you only have an image, a featured image, and a title. What we need to do is to give some padding from left and right and give some background color to it, as you can see in this mockup. This is the color, background color, and some padding from left and also from right, and the border radius to the images. Also we have to line the text into the center, in the center. Again come here, click on this again. Now select, you can select this row layout from here too. Click on this row layout and again click on this. Now come here, go to style, advanced. it have already given some padding from top and bottom. Now we have to give some from left and right. Give some padding from here. See, we have given some padding from it here. We can also give more to it, but it doesn't look nice. Give some, I'll give it to the small. Give it small padding also from left to. Now we have to give some color to it. Click on style and background color. You can give any color as per your desire. I think this one matches the one in the mockup. Now click on query loop. If you can see here, you have given you have been given the column section or column option. You can add columns as per your design, but according to the mockup there are 3 columns. We can see here, so you can change it to the 3. Now what left is, click on this image. What is, go to style. Maybe the height looks small. See, the height as compared to the width is bigger, not bigger than the width, but here it is too small. So I'll better give it 250 height and choose the aspect ratio to 4 or 4:3. Maybe let me see it how it looks. Okay, there's something problem in it. Oh, sorry, I've what I wanted to do is I've already activated this plugin, which I don't need to because I've already added some custom CSS to it. Let me show it to you. I'll go to custom CSS. See, I've already given it. Let me delete it. After deleting it, I'll deactivate it. Let me see it again. Yes, basically we have to give some width to these images or to this query loop section. We can come here, click on query loop, select query loop, and give 1400 pixel to it. Now if we see it again, yes, now we are done with the images and also the width, the padding. The only thing left to do is giving some border radius to the image, also aligning the title to the center and giving some color to the title, giving some negative margin to the search section, and yes, then we are done. We are ready to go. I'll come here or click on this, go to plugins, activate simple custom CSS and JS, come to custom CSS and add CSS code. I'll provide you this code. You need to copy and paste this code. Copy and then paste. Paste this code and click on publish. Okay, let me refresh the page. See, we have given some negative margin to the padding. Oh, sorry, no, not negative margin to the padding, but negative margin to the search section. Also, we have. Okay. Come here, come here again. Edit site. I forgot to mention that we have to give a class to the query loop, post grades. Let me copy it. Make sure to add this as, otherwise the code wouldn't work. Make sure to add as after the post. So click on query loop, select query loop, After selecting it, scroll down to the bottom and click on advanced section, then go to additional CSS classes and write POSTS, then -grid. After doing that, click on save. Now refresh the page. See, now it looks cool. We have given some border radius to the images of 10 pixel. Here you can see we have given some border radius to the images 10 pixel. We have aligned the title to the center. Here you can see it. Okay, the reason the color of the title doesn't change because I haven't added it to the code. To make you understand, in the future if you run into the program and you don't know why the title color doesn't changes, it's because I haven't added it. You need to go to the post grades, copy and then paste it over here. You need to write A here, A, and then delete it, write COLOR and then red. I'm adding it red. You can add it as per your design. Wait. If I refresh the page, see the title color changes red, and you can add any color as let me change it to F6. Maybe the color is F6. No, it's not. The F6 is the color of the background, so you can change as per your design. It's let me add a simple black here. See, the title color changes to black. So if you ever want to change the color, you can come here and You can also write in RGB or RGBA or hex code, or simply writing the name of the color. If you don't know how to change the color, or if you don't know how to what is hex code or what is RGBA or what is RGBA or anything, so you can simply ask me. I'll make it sure that you understand from the basics, and it doesn't means you doesn't encounter a problem in the future. Now we are done with the post grid section. What I'll do, wait, let me minimize it, and yes, we are done with this. We can see the mockup. This is the mockup, and this is the logo, a navigation bar, and a beautiful image, a search section having a negative margin, a post grid section with a decent background, an image, a featured image with some corner radius of 10 pixels, the title aligned to the center, and yes, we are done. Okay, ignore it. It's basically the post which is edited as per default from the WordPress. Let me trace it and again reload it. See, we are done with it. Thank you.